using Pro Tabs in just 5 easy steps. Drain the fryer oil and remove all solid particles from the fryer. Close the drain valve. Place a Pro Tabs Boil Out tablet in the bottom of the fryer. Use one 2.5-ounce tablet for a 35-pound fryer, or one 4.5-ounce tablet for a 70-pound fryer. Fill your fryer with water to the fill line and bring it to a boil, 200 to 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Insert the basket and accessories during the boil-out process, then run them through the dishwasher after they're clean. Let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes and then turn the fryer off. After the boil-out, drain the contents into a mop bucket for use as a floor cleaner. Rinse the fryer surface with clean water and wipe it dry. The cleaning process is now complete.